Hello, good day people. Welcome to another exciting tutorial from Chikenum. Now through this video I'll be showing you guys the easiest method to make a full gather flare. So before I proceed, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, please share it and feel free to comment. Thank you. The first thing to do now is to fold your fabric into two. Then fold again to form a triangle shape. This extra at the side of the triangle is the zip line allowance. So after dividing with the formula, my waist size is 9. To mark, I place my tape from the tip of the angle to make my marking accurate. Now to mark the length of the flare, I remove my half cut, which is 8. Then from 8, I count down to 30 to mark the length. Thirty is my length measurement. Now add a 1.5 inch extra sewing allowance. Now cut the waistline. Cut the down. This extra line here is for folding. So when you open it up, this is the shape you will get. Open it up again and this is the full flare. This is how it looks when you raise it up. Now this is the top. Now this is the waist of the top that I will be attaching the flare to. So I will draw a gather like this. So to do that, I will sew a straight line on the waist of the flare with my machine. Make sure the sewing stitch is not too tight. So I will draw a gather like this to make it full. Now I'm adjusting it like this till I get my original waist size measurement, which is 22. After proper adjustment, sew it around the blouse and you're done making this full flare. Thanks for watching to this point. I'll see you in my next video.